Good morning everyone. My name is Pooja Wankhede and today we are going to learn about quality management, in which we have completed 3 units already, and in 4th unit we have completed, that is Toyota production system, TQM in Japan. Then we have also studied about the various automotive sectors in Japan, and today we are going to learn about the applications of lean manufacturing or lean principles on manufacturing and services. Okay, so going further, okay, let's get started with the introduction. What is meant by lean manufacturing or lean application principle? If we try to define lean, then we can say a systematic approach to identifying and eliminating waste, non-value added activities through continuous improvement by flowing the product at a pool of the customer in pursuit of perfection. Okay, अगर लीन को अगर हम डिफाइन करें तो लीन यानी क्या कि इट इज़ अ सिस्टमेटिक अप्रोच इन ऑर्डर टू आइडेंटिफाई एंड एलिमिनेट जो भी वेस्ट मटेरियल होंगे या वेस्ट थिंग्स होंगी, वेस्ट थिंग्स यानी जो हमारे इसमें वैल्यू एडिशन नहीं करती, ऐसी चीज़ों को हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है, एलिमिनेट करना है. कैसे? थ्रू कंटिन्यूस इंप्रूवमेंट. हमें क्या करना है? कंटिन्यूस इंप्रूवमेंट लानी है बाय फ्लोइंग द प्रोडक्ट एट पूल ऑफ द कस्टमर. पूल ऑफ द कस्टमर यानी जब कस्टमर की डिमांड होंगे तब हमें प्रोडक्शन करना है इन परस्यूट ऑफ परफेक्शन. लीन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इज अ यूनिफाइड कंप्रेसिव सेट ऑफ philosophies, rules, guidelines, tools and techniques for improving and optimizing discrete process. Lean is a production practice that creates more value with less work by eliminating source of waste. जो waste होता है, जो sources of waste है, उसे eliminate करके हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन, अच्छे से प्रोडक्शन करना है. लीन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के गोल्स कौन कौन सी है? तो देखो, इन ऑर्डर टू इम्प्रूव क्वालिटी, सबसे पहले तो हमें क्वालिटी को इम्प्रूव करना है. देन एलिमिनेट वेस्ट, reduce time and reduce total cost. These are the lean goals. Okay, lean manufacturing involves a variety of techniques such as one piece flow, kaizen, cellular manufacturing, standardized work, workplace organization और visual management. Okay, ये सब चीज़ें या ये सब टेक्निक जो है वो lean manufacturing में आती है. The major process of purposes of the use of lean production are to increase productivity, improve product quality, reduce inventory, reduce lead time and eliminate manufacturing waste. These are the major purposes of the use of the lean productions. Okay, and then this research addresses the implementation of lean principles in a Portuguese German garment industry. Traditionally operated garment industries are facing problems concerning low productivity, long production and lead times and high rework, poor line balancing etc. and the firm focused on the project was facing the same problem. Okay, यहाँ पे देखो एक एग्जांपल लिया है पोर्तुगीज गारमेंट इंडस्ट्री का, जहाँ पे देखो हमें लो प्रोडक्टिविटी मिल रही है, लॉन्ग प्रोडक्शन लीड टाइम से, हाई रिवर्क है, देन पुअर लाइन बैलेंसिंग है. ओके, ऑन एन अर्लियर स्टेज अ लिटरेचर रिव्यू ऑन लीन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग वाज कंडक्टेड फ्रॉम द क्रिएशन ऑफ द कंसेप्ट ऑफ लीन टू इट्स मेन टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स. ओके, सो इट वाज ऑल्सो mentioned mentioned the concept of cellular manufacturing, how to accurately balance a manufacturing line, and were given some examples of previous application in this industry. Okay, after understanding the concepts of lean manufacturing, a description and critical analysis of the company's productive system was made. Acknowledge the problems it was facing. Next improvement proposals were suggested related to the layout change, visual management, 5 years quality management principles and cellular manufacturing. After implementation of some lean tools, results observed were highly encouraging. Some of the key benefits involve less movement, transportation and material handling, an increase of 14% in productivity in 1 month and an increase of 60% in profits in 2 months. Cellular manufacturing wasn't implemented, although the company was being left prepared for an implementation in the future. Okay, what is the lean principle? There are 5 main lean principles were associated with it, briefly described below, and those are value, value stream, flow, pull and perfections. Okay, so going further, the first principle is value. Express the capacity of accurately specify value from the customer perspective, or what he is willing to pay for both products and services. Lean manufacturing defines the value of a product with the customer point of view. Customer don't mind how hard to you work to create the product. Customer will evaluate the product by looking at how well it is going to fulfill their requirements. Customer don't need to pay for the defects that removed from production lines. Okay, going further, the second principle is value stream. What is meant by value stream? Identify the value stream of specific activities from raw material to final goods required for the development of a product or service, removing non-value adding waste along with that path. Okay, then flow means make the product or service flow without interruption across the entire value system. And pull system, the production is authorized by the customer, means जब customer की demand आएंगे तब production करना, as opposite to a push system where the finished goods are pushed to the customer. Okay, perfections, constantly identify and remove any kind of waste along the value stream to achieve perfection. Okay, then lean benefits. Okay, what can an organization expect as bottom line results of applying lean thinking to eliminate waste? ओके, यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, एलिमिनेट वेस्ट करना है. डॉक्यूमेंटेड रिजल्ट अक्रॉस वेरियस इंडस्ट्रीज इंडिकेट द रिजल्ट ऑफ टेबल बिलो. ओके, यहाँ पे एलिमेंट दिया है, बेनिफिट दिया है. कैपेसिटी 10 to 20% गेन्स इन कैपेसिटी बाय ऑप्टिमाइजिंग बोटलनेक्स. इन्वेंटरी रिडक्शन ऑफ 30 to 40% ऑफ रिडक्शन इन इन्वेंटरी. साइकिल टाइम, थ्रूपुट टाइम रिड्यूस बाय 50 to 75%. लीड टाइम रिडक्शन ऑफ 50% in order to fulfillment. Okay, product development time reduction of 35 to 50% in development time. Okay, and space 35 to 50% space reduction, and first pass yield means 5 to 15% increase in first pass yield, and service delivery performance of 99%. Okay, 7 ways of lean in garment manufacturing. One prime objective of industrial engineering is to increase productivity by eliminating waste and non-value adding operations from the manufacturing process. So it is essential to know the waste and non-value adding function those exist in garment manufacturing. So what are the 7 ways that we found in lean manufacturing? The overproduction, inventory, motion, waiting, transportation, over processing, and not right first time scrap, rework, and defects. Okay, so this is all about the lean manufacturing that we have studied. We are going to conduct further quality approaches in India regarding this all of these things. Okay, so thank you for listening.